Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto from fresh basil leaves. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil. Lightly toast your pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This step really brings out their nutty flavor. Now, let's get blending. Add the fresh basil leaves, toasted pine nuts, peeled garlic cloves, and grated Parmesan cheese into your food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped and well combined. Then, with the food processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of olive oil. This creates a smooth, emulsified pesto. Once everything is blended, it's time to season your pesto. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Start with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and adjust as needed. If your pesto seems too thick, you can add a little more olive oil, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. You want it smooth, but with a nice, rustic texture. Your delicious homemade pesto is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it immediately with pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a dip. To store, place it in an airtight container and cover the surface with a thin layer of olive oil to keep it fresh and prevent browning for up to 5 days in the refrigerator. And hey, while you're down there, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.